Hi, welcome to 2 Minute Solution Series. My name is Bhavna Chopra and I'm your life re-imprinting coach. So today I will give you a very good technique of staying in present. If you're thinking only about your past or if you're worrying only about your future, you are not living in your present. So though we are physically present in our present, but our mind is either in the past or in the future. But this is not the way of living your life. If you want to enjoy your life thoroughly, if you want to achieve all your dreams, you have to live in the present. And this is an art. Living in your present is actually an art. So we may say, do not worry about your past, or do not overthink whatever had happened in the past, or should not worry about what will come in future. But it isn't that easy, because you do not know then what else should you do, because you are always being taught of either regretting about your past or worrying about your future. So today I will tell you a very good technique. This technique is from the Reiki. It's a Japanese technique. Reiki is a Japanese form of healing people with energy. So in Reiki, there are 5 principles which they follow. It is the principle of mindfulness. So what you have to do, keep these 5 principles in your mind. Whatever action you're taking in the day, it should be around these 5 principles only. So every day what you have to do, either you can write it down and stick it somewhere so that you can read it all the time, or it should be running in your mind all the time. What it says, that only for today I will not be angry. So you are just talking about today. Okay, so we are not concerned with the past or the future. We will be talking only about today. So only for today I will not be angry. Only for today I will not worry. Only for today I will do my work honestly. Only for today I will be grateful. And only for today I will be kind to others, especially every living being. So these are the 5 principles. You should revolve all your thoughts and action around these 5 principles. You take a note of these 5 principles and start thinking, start repeating it. When you are consciously saying these statements every now and then, it will become the part of your subconscious, and whatever action you will take, whatever you will think in the day, you will have this thing in your mind that let's say if you are getting angry, then you will remember that I have promised myself that only for today I will not be angry, so I cannot be angry. Now when it will come tomorrow, that will be your present. Tomorrow, when you are into your tomorrow, that tomorrow will become your today, and for that day also you have this thing in your mind that only for today I will not be angry. So most of the problems will be solved if you will follow these 5 principles of Reiki, and I hope you will practice this, and it will surely work for you as it worked for me also. So I'll see you in the next video. Bye.